In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Canva. If you've ever wanted that striking photo-negative look or needed a quick way to flip light designs to dark, this is a fast and easy workflow right inside Canva with no extra plugins or exports required. First, make sure your design is open in Canva and the image you want to transform is on the canvas. Click the image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and resize handles around it. If you have multiple elements stacked or a group selected, and you don't see those handles around just the image, click again until only the image is highlighted. This ensures the controls we need will appear for the right item. With the image selected, look for the Edit option in Canva's toolbar or side panel and click Edit. This opens the dedicated editing controls for the element you picked. If you don't see Edit, that usually means nothing is selected, or the background is selected instead. Simply click the image again to bring up its editing panel. Inside the editing panel, choose Adjust. Adjust is where Canva keeps the granular sliders for image fine-tuning, such as brightness, contrast, and other visual tools. It's the right place to be for a true color inversion rather than a preset filter. Now find the Invert control and click Invert. Depending on your version of Canva, this may be a simple toggle or a slider you can drag. Either way, the effect applies instantly, flipping the colors to their complementary values and producing that classic negative look. You'll see live changes on the canvas as you apply it. A few quick tips as you review the result. If your image has transparent areas, those remain transparent. Only the visible pixels are inverted. This effect works well on photos, flat illustrations, and logos, but busy images with heavy noise can look intense after inversion. Use Undo if you want to compare before and after quickly. If you're working with a grouped element and invert didn't appear, try selecting the image inside the group first. And if you accidentally selected a shape or text box, you won't see invert for those. Reselect the actual image layer. That's all there is to it. Canva automatically saves your changes, so once you're happy with the inverted result, you can continue designing right away. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating bold, high-contrast looks with a single click.